Welcome to Inside the Process. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Our process begins at a modern poultry farm, where chickens are carefully loaded for transport to the processing facility.
Specialized trucks maintain optimal conditions during the short journey to ensure animal welfare.
Trucks arrive at the plant's dedicated receiving area, where trained handlers prepare for unloading.
Chickens are unloaded with care using specialized equipment designed for animal welfare and worker safety. Birds enter a climate-controlled holding area, where conditions are carefully monitored for their comfort.
All personnel undergo strict sanitation protocols before entering processing areas to maintain food safety standards. Humane stunning is performed using approved methods, under strict USDA supervision and animal welfare guidelines.
Automated feather removal machines use rotating drums and water spray to efficiently and thoroughly remove all feathers. Quality inspectors perform final feather checks to ensure each bird meets our strict cleanliness standards. Advanced automated systems perform evisceration with precision while maintaining the highest sanitation standards.
USDA inspectors examine every bird to ensure it meets federal safety and quality requirements.
Birds are rapidly chilled in ice-cold water tanks to ensure food safety and quality preservation. Each chilled bird undergoes quality inspection to verify proper cooling and overall condition before further processing.
At this junction, chickens are sorted. Some continue as whole birds, while others move to cutting for individual parts.
Whole chickens are carefully packaged in food-grade plastic for customers who prefer whole birds.
State-of-the-art cutting machines precisely separate chickens into individual parts with computer-guided accuracy. Each chicken breast is hand-inspected to remove any bone fragments and ensure premium quality. Automated trimming creates uniformly sized, lean chicken breasts that meet exact specifications for our customers.
Thighs and drumsticks are sorted by size to ensure consistent portions in every package. Wings are separated into drumettes and flats using automated equipment that cuts at the exact joint.
All chicken parts undergo thorough washing with food-safe antimicrobial solutions for maximum safety and cleanliness.
Excess water is removed through vibration and air jets, preparing the parts for precise weighing and packaging.
Each chicken piece is individually weighed to ensure accurate portions and consistent quality in every package.
Trained packers arrange chicken breasts into trays, ensuring each package contains uniform, premium quality pieces.
Each tray is sealed with stretch wrap to maintain freshness and protect the product during distribution.
Automated labeling applies all required information, including weight, date codes, and traceability barcodes to each package. Packages receive clear overwrap sealing that preserves freshness while allowing product visibility for shoppers. Drumsticks are packaged in clear bags, allowing customers to see the quality of the product inside. Each bag is secured with a tamper-evident clip seal, ensuring the package hasn't been opened. Chicken wings are bulk packaged by weight, perfect for restaurants and large family gatherings. Vacuum sealing removes air to extend shelf life and prevent freezer burn for wing packages.
Premium chicken tenders are hand-cut from whole breast meat to create uniform, high-quality strips.
Every tender is inspected to ensure it meets our strict standards for size, shape, and quality. Tenders are precisely portioned and arranged in trays for an attractive, uniform presentation.
Flow wrap packaging seals tenders in attractive, informative packages ready for retail display.
Trim meat is processed through industrial grinders to create fresh ground chicken for burgers and recipes.
Ground chicken is formed into uniform patties perfect for grilling. an increasingly popular healthy alternative.
Patties are stacked with separator papers, preventing them from sticking together when frozen. Patty packages are sealed and labeled with cooking instructions and nutritional information for consumers.
Seasoned ground chicken is stuffed into casings to create flavorful chicken sausages in various styles. Sausages are pre-cooked to safe internal temperatures, allowing for quick final preparation at home. Cooked sausages are rapidly cooled to ensure food safety before packaging and distribution. Cooled sausages are portioned and packaged in quantities perfect for family meals and entertaining.
Vacuum sealing preserves freshness and flavor while extending the shelf life of our chicken sausages.
Random samples from every production batch undergo rigorous laboratory testing to verify quality and safety.
Our on-site laboratory conducts continuous testing for pathogens and quality markers throughout every production day.
Metal detectors scan every package to ensure no foreign objects entered during processing, adding crucial safety verification. All packaged products converge on the main line, where they're organized by type for efficient boxing.
Cardboard boxes are automatically formed and prepared to receive the packaged chicken products.
Different products have specific box configurations optimized for protection and efficient use of space. Automated equipment seals boxes securely with tamper-evident tape, ensuring products remain protected.
Each box is marked with date codes and lot numbers, providing complete traceability throughout our supply chain. Every box is weighed to verify contents are correct and meet our specified weight standards.
Unique barcode labels enable precise tracking of each box, from production through delivery to customers.
Automated scanners verify barcode readability and register each box in our real-time inventory system. A final metal detection scan ensures absolute safety before products enter our cold storage warehouse.
Robotic palletizers stack boxes in optimized patterns, ensuring stability during transportation and storage.
Completed pallets are scanned and registered before moving to cold storage, maintaining precise inventory control.
Pallets are wrapped in multiple layers of stretch film to secure boxes and protect products during handling.
Pallet labels provide instant identification and contain all information needed for efficient warehouse management.
Electric pallet jacks transport finished pallets from packaging to our temperature-controlled cold storage facility. Products enter our cold storage facility, maintained at precise temperatures, ensuring optimal freshness preservation.
Our cold storage warehouse maintains strict temperature control, with capacity for thousands of pallets of product. Reach trucks precisely place pallets into designated racking locations, tracked by our warehouse management system.
Our warehouse management system tracks every pallet's location and condition in real time throughout the facility.
Temperature monitoring systems operate continuously with automated alerts, ensuring products never experience temperature abuse. Customer orders are processed through our system, generating pick lists for warehouse staff to fulfill efficiently. Specific pallets are retrieved from storage based on customer orders and product rotation schedules. Mixed orders are assembled by selecting specific products and quantities from full pallets to match customer needs. Completed orders are wrapped in color-coded film and labeled with delivery information for efficient shipping coordination.
Our loading docks feature multiple bays designed to maintain temperature control during the loading process. Refrigerated trucks arrive at scheduled times to maintain efficient loading and ensure delivery schedules are met. Truck trailers are pre-cooled and inspected to ensure they'll maintain proper temperature throughout delivery routes. Pallets are loaded systematically to maximize space while ensuring stability and allowing proper air circulation. Temperature loggers monitor conditions during transport,
while delivery documentation ensures accurate record keeping. Drivers perform pre-trip inspections and review delivery routes before departing with their temperature-sensitive cargo. Loaded trucks depart on optimized routes to deliver fresh chicken products to restaurants, stores, and distribution centers. Throughout the day, continuous production and fulfillment operations keep our facility running at optimal efficiency. Quality supervisors continuously monitor production metrics, ensuring every batch meets our rigorous standards. Our maintenance team performs regular equipment service, preventing breakdowns and ensuring continuous, reliable operation. Employee welfare is a priority, with clean break facilities and strict hygiene protocols for all staff.
Our wastewater treatment system ensures all water is properly cleaned before discharge, meeting strict environmental standards.
Byproducts are responsibly managed through rendering processes, converting them into valuable products for other industries. Systematic organization and tracking enable our facility to process and ship thousands of products daily. Our logistics team coordinates hundreds of deliveries daily, ensuring products reach customers fresh and on schedule. Round-the-clock cold storage operations ensure products maintain perfect quality from production through delivery. Our integrated facility processes thousands of chickens daily, transforming them into dozens of different products for customers nationwide. This state-of-the-art facility represents the modern chicken processing industry's commitment to quality, safety, and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.